Edie Beans with a little house of beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making pesto chicken gnocchi bake. Now this recipe is inspired by the time I studied abroad in Italy and I met a very good friend, Giuseppe. His nonna used to make this dish every Sunday while we were studying. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Come on, you know the drill already. Smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. We also have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. And if you didn't know, our Facebook group is Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Join this delicious community. We bring you recipes, fun recipes, pictures. I mean, it is such a great community of cooking. I'm ready to make Nonna's pesto chicken gnocchi bake. Let's cook. If you haven't already noticed, I am putting my own spin on this. I'm making it curry style.